Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change bio on Telegram. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just open the Telegram app on this Android device, or you have iOS, you can also open it from there. So when it's open, what you have to gonna do, you will have to just go on the top left three horizontal lines of settings. So when you click it, so the settings are open and you will have to click to my profile. So when you have to click to on the my profile, and there is, you can see the bio. So I will click to the bio option and I will edit bio. So I will remove it, this freelancer, and I will type another word of, so I will type doctor and save it. So this is how to change Telegram bio. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.